Hey everybody, it's Mr. Marino reporting to you from D202, 8 Red Science Teacher. Today is September 30th, and this is the week of September 28th midweek update. Say that 3 times fast. As far as our update goes, we pretty much got the ball rolling in regards to getting devices in all the kids' hands, getting them signed up on all of their digital accounts that they need to do their work at home. Today we're going to discuss just a couple of things that they've been doing this week, what my expectations are for them moving forward into next week. For the parents who are watching this, give you a little insight of what's going on. This week we've been going over metric prefixes. We've also been finishing up on what units and what tools that we're going to use this year in science. It should be noted that the classwork that we do in school is usually followed up with an at-home assignment using their iPads, using an app called Notability. A couple of assignments that have been posted on Google Classroom are follow-up from the notes that we took in class. And so what we've been doing is, we've been taking those notes that they've been taking on paper by hand, and they've been converting those into Notability. And the reason why we're doing that is to reinforce what we've learned by having it go back through our eyes, through our brain, through our hands, and onto the device. Second reason is to get better at using Notability, as we'll be using it this year to complete models of 3-dimensional concepts, capturing them in 2 dimensions. This week the kids signed up for EdPuzzle. EdPuzzle is a way for me to take the labs that we would ordinarily be doing and putting them into the palms of the kids' hands. EdPuzzle is going to be mostly instructional videos of me doing labs with follow-up questions that the students have to answer, and will be documented, graded accordingly in Aspen. Students also signed up for ck12.org. ck12.org is a secondary way of me to get content to the kids online. Assignments will be handed in and submitted through ck12.org, and I've helped all the students in class physically sign up for ck12.org using their iPads and their school BPS accounts. There are already 2 assignments on there that will be due Tuesday, October 6th by the end of the day. Students are encouraged to start working on them, and if they have any questions, as always, can email me, jmarino@bpsk12.org. I've been quite busy the past couple days getting all these assignments up on Aspen in Gradebook. And so over this week, as those assignments start rolling in, you will see that those grades are beginning to populate Gradebook. As a quick reminder, for those of you who in Cohort A, Cohort B, and remote, sometimes the timing is not going to line up. And although I do try my best to paste that correctly on Google Classroom, sometimes you'll see an assignment pop up and you might not know what it's about. Do not worry. Send me an email and I can explain it to you. Or simply be patient, and the next time we meet, I'll talk about it. Make sure to remember to keep your notes all in one place, as we will be making references to those notes. And as always, advocate for yourself if you have any questions. This has been our midweek update. Thank you for following at MrMarinoScience. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that alert button.